I'm going to show you guys how to create this creepy botched stitched makeup look for Halloween. This is actually fairly easy to create. It's just a bunch of lines in reality. So first off, I'm just going in with a white pencil and I'm going to sketch out where I'm going to have these lines, which is basically going to be where your face has been cut and placed together by a surgeon. So I'm kind of creating a cut crease right here, and I'm going to wing that out into the hairline, bringing a line down from the eye to the mouth part and doing the same on the other side. The white helps as a guideline so that if you don't like the way something looks or you placed it wrong, you can just kind of wipe it away with your finger and try again. So I'm taking these Danessa Myricks Color Fix paint. I'm going to mix those together and I'm going to put that on my eye. This is kind of like a fleshy color, as if I was missing skin and this is what was underneath. So I'm going to put that on my eye, and later on I will do my lips as well. Taking the red shade, I'm going to create a liner, and then I'm going to go over all those white lines with the red eyeliner. And I'm going to fudge up the lines and kind of make it messy. It's going to make it look a little more bloody and like I just got this operation done and it has not healed and it's still very fresh. A little bit of drippy. I'm adding some like little blood drips just to make it look like I just got out of surgery and the doctor did a horrible job. So I'm just going to go over all the white lines, and the white lines are actually going to create an illusion on the edges of the red lines. It's going to make it look like it's raised. So it'll give it a little more dimension with that white on either side of that red. And like I said, I'm going in with that pink shade on my lips. And then I'm taking a liquid eyeliner. I'm going to create these are going to be like staples, or you could say stitches. I think more like staples because I'm going to highlight them and make them look more like metal. So I'm going to go over all of the red lines and I'm going to create these slashes, some X's, wherever is random, whatever feels right. And make sure it goes from your skin to your skin. And I'm going to go in with a white eyeliner. This is liquid, which is very important so that it does not take a lot of time. I'm just going to go over the middle of those stitches or those staples, and I'm just going to highlight the very center of it just with one little stroke. It's a little time consuming, but this really adds a lot of detail and a lot of depth. Now I'm taking a clear gloss and I'm going to put that on just the red parts of the face. I'm going to avoid the staples because the staples will not be glossy. This will kind of create that wet, bloody illusion like it's fresh. And here we have the full botched glam doll stitched look. It's really creepy, really cool. I highly recommend you guys try this out.